Hi, welcome to AWS and DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate Argo CD. In previous video, I explained about what is GitOps and difference between GitOps and DevOps. In this video, I am going to demonstrate Argo CD. This is the one of the tool in GitOps. It is used to continuous delivery for Kubernetes. What is Argo CD? Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes that uses Git repositories as a single source of truth for defining the desired state of your applications and infrastructure. It monitors both the Git repository and the Kubernetes cluster. This is the diagram of Argo CD, how it works. Git repository and Argo CD applies desired state, Kubernetes cluster and Argo CD UI and CLI dashboard. Why use Argo CD? Declarative and version control. Your application configuration, environments and deployment setup are stored in Git. This means every changes is tracked and you can see the history anytime. Example, you can always roll back to previous version if something breaks. And another one is automated deployment and lifecycle management. Once you push a change to Git, Argo CD can automatically deploy it to your Kubernetes cluster. It constantly monitors the cluster, so your deployed apps always match what's in Git. Auditable and easy to understand. Every deployment and rollback is logged and visible in Argo CD UI. Teams can easily understand what changed when and why. These are some of the key features like multi-cluster support and declarative and automated synchronous, rollback support, UA and CLI. Initially, we can discuss about multi-cluster support. Manage multiple Kubernetes cluster from a single Argo CD instance. And declarative, everything is defined in manifest like YAML file, Helm charts, customize. And another one is automated synchronous. Argo CD synchronous Git changes to every cluster automatically or manually. You can easily roll back support. Easy to roll back to previous version if something goes wrong. UI and CLI, web-based dashboard and CLI for managing applications. These are benefits. Argo CD simplifies deployments, reduce manual errors, ideal for multi-environment setups, enables fast rollback and version tracking, visuals, icons for CI/CD, multi-cluster rollback. Some of the disadvantages of Argo CD or challenges of Argo CD. Learn curve. Beginners may find GitOps concepts, YAML configurations and Argo CD setup tricky at first. Managing complex application with Helm charts, customize or multi-cluster setups can be confusing initially. Git has single source of truth. Argo CD relies entirely on Git. If Git is misconfigured or contains error, it can automatically apply bad changes to your cluster. Not ideal for very dynamic apps. For apps that change frequently at runtime, like dynamically configures stored in database, Argo CD may not be suitable because it expected everything to be declared in Git. And resources overhead. Argo CD runs a controller in your cluster. In very large environment, it can consume noticeable resource. And another one is requires proper access control. If not configured carefully, user might push dangerous changes directly to production. How to mitigate these issues? Use staging environments before production, enable health checks and automated rollback, limit write access to Git repository, learn GitOps best practice gradually. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please in comment section. Next video, we will discuss about how to installation of Argo CD, how it works. Thanks for watching.